Hi, I'm Tuan Lantra. I'm currently pursuing my PGDBA here at Manipal Dubai campus. When the Dubai name came itself, it was like I got interested in the country itself and the environment, the way the country works. So I was very interested and I wanted to pursue something, but I was looking for an opportunity for me to kind of not go there for working only, but to experience something new as well as build up something. So PGDB was a program that I was new to since I was looking for a master's program, but then I found an opportunity where I could go for like a trial purpose. If I say like, see how it is, see how it happens. There was this one class which it was a new subject for me, and I would say that I had no clue that I would be able to, kind of understand the subject itself but the way the lecturer himself portrayed the subject to us, then only I realized that the teaching is different, and it was an easy way for me to understand the lecturer, what he's portraying and how the subject works. So what I've understood here is that MAHE Dubai itself offers you the opportunity for you to understand, see, if you're coming as a student, it's possible that you're having an understanding that it's everything going to be kind of like a theory, you'll only learn. But they will also give you an opportunity where you'll be able to, kind of go into the outside world, land a job, kind of showcase how whatever you learned in university, how you can apply it in the real world. It will give you the both aspects, and you'll be getting one side a degree as well as you'll be getting a valuable real life experience the other side as well.